because the last time I need DC kasai say o my eti ase so omohu nipa na
omohu say Jabari crown so Jabari so
na omuma yedin
oh edin dey so omo dey aba omo friends omo friends are Richard entry you say oh nya no kra nya no eno ye different say eno ya dance asokwadie me ka we din omo abo no ye Richard entry no mabo ni din sisi ai boso
politician bi an enchire because you see
minti so omo abo politician
bi prime area Sir John unyo bia untimi nkoye mine no ebehie obi a o wield power okra influence bi and you see the same nkrofo a when say nanso onu nya opportunity na okose ade no mo we should begin to mention names say in fact the omusi nipa na omusi omunya no edi no a ekura omu no eye credible a e wo se omuma e body na ehu nipa no himfa no owo because ye body a ebeboa ma ochina no obi koye obeka se me dem din hu hia me ye kobo me din wo radio so a ebe ha me aha me business because there is no way we should tolerate that normal way a ekoso and Kwame nso a report no ka say na ya twen kania na
meter no na fa meter no to so na
enti e was say some find out from ECG
any and adie we a professional work no my no
enti o say you find out from work. ECG e kwan a omo nso e fa so di meter we e be bo because minjin this say John the mere fact say we distribute power and say obia be ka say man power no anya ejuma o de be man say o say we make sure say nipa na ejuma no kra o ye no e legal and san o timi a train the
connection kwa na boys ti ho ye
say nti na o say ye hu san no mo we na nti say obi na fa e kire weka bi na fa e kire ye connection no so o say no ade no e o say tackle no from all angle. And American, we need to get those information. Say, and they may found say your official meeting, the man nipa no. Say obi na fa siema ye the man ni na we should be able to find out.
Yeah.
Because we no say auto can ana omuko na say on light illegal na o use. We should be able to because Sir John, asem na say ye no chaskele bi ase ye fefa ano ube on say after this week eko eno anu nipa no wa say kwaye no fa eni anhwa ye beka na afa di abedi wo ha na wasan kwhye na otu na o say no we should begin to see some of prosecution. I was say following say nipa na okọ na wo ye no ye because me ye sure so ho de ye be man license on command eye kwayem ena yenim say say environmental I forgotten the act no say si ano ya bogu say the permit to ma okoye mining forest reserve no si ani na no ye fro enti wuntimi nka ntrem me say waje license ena wo ye ejuma ewa ha enti sa eyin se afa na ye tro krata de akose ye declare Bosomtwe no go area for mining. Sir John ade na nipa ni ye illegality ye afa na wo tro letter say ye declare for no go mine no go area for mining baby a wo say etu egudie no na ye no kwan pa so de ye betime etu nemom megidi ye say around lake no a forest when a twa ho ahia na there is no way I betimi ama o license say o koye mine ho na ya kasi afa na ebe truck rata say ye the company for say all should be declared as no go mining area. And I'm even expecting the regional minister to provide us with some clarity answers. Who exactly is behind it? Say yes, Richard be ready and no. steps bɛn na ɔman no take sɛ yɛbɛ prosecute no na sɛ ɛtuo sɛ the former regional chairman of the New Patriotic Party sɛ ɔ court all because of mining ɔno koraa sɛ ɔsɛ ɔne krataa wɔ hɔ but you see wowɔ krataa no na go beyond the okrataa no say yeah why illegality and you should be prosecuted for that ma yɛnyɛ sɛ asɛm no ba na yɛ katakata yɛmpɛ sɛ yɛbɛbiem yie na yɛde akɔhyɛ obi yɛnim sɛ onipa no deɛ wontumi identify no wontumi hu baabi a ɔhɔ na afei de asɛm no yɛakɔyɛ no basaa influential people a ɔmo wɔ kurom a ɔmo a na ɛyɛ mining wɔ hɔ no enti Sir John yɛdeɛ until we get answers from ɔmo hɔ yɛmfa ne sɛ ɔmo yɛ serious biara wɔ the fight against galamsey because Sir John yɛte ana last 2 weeks last week yɛ adanse deɛ yɛ agenda 111 deɛ yɛ de biara no esiwi afei na mpanifo kikiki na yɛnya awɛ o as excavator no ɛyɛ yi one coin one Ghana cedi coin a wotimi de show bottom na wa betwam
betma draw ha say by paper abobor bi a paper na de ahye bottom flat
only they should be serious some of these things ade a ben national and public property bi na yɛsɛ no na yɛsɛ kɔ afɛ deɛ asɛm ba ho na ɛka o si o na yɛnya awɛ de bi a firefighting approach yɛbɛma agya no aso ansa na yɛakɔpɛ nsuo sɛ yɛkodum no abra yɛwɔ ho kwan sɛ we can even prevent adeɛ no in the first place
right me da se menua evansin kum gongum